If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend you get it for your trailer. Especially if you have a trailer like this one. You need a sway bar controller set, and I'm going to show you how to install one. The first time we did have somebody install it for us, because in the front there where the metal is, you do have to make holes in the frame. So I had somebody do that for me. The trailer has to be level when you're going down the road, and we had to have our hitch turned the other way. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook up the electricity. That's the first thing I normally do, so I can put some power into the battery of the trailer. Hopefully the trailer battery has enough juice for you to go ahead and use the lift on the trailer to go up and down. If not, you plug it in, and from the truck running, you can start charging up that battery.
This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look.
Top part just slides right in. So right there. There. So now you get this, and you unscrew it. It's just more security. Put that through there like that. And then you screw it like that with the key. There, that's nice and locked in there. So you could do this in any kind of order. I'm gonna hook up the chains right there. And then your release for your trailer brakes, just in case you get disconnected from the truck. So that could go up like this. And the same thing. And then you can clip it on. Might want to check too is, like, this cable right here is not hanging down too low. You can just go up here on the top and just pull it a little bit like that, and just make sure it has can move around. Sorry in advance that I don't have the names properly memorized. At the end of the bar there is a chain, and this is how you adjust it with this clamp device. And at the end of it you have a bolt that you have to go ahead and screw on until it hits the frame, which can take a couple of minutes. You have to do the same thing on the other side. And there's the bar with the chain, if you saw that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the other one on the other side. The reason I am lowering the lift again, it is then easier to attach the chain that is attached to the bar. So you take this guy, pop it in there. This guy you have 4 hanging, put it on the 5th one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. Put that down like that. Hold it. That's your pin.
my recommendation with this guy is sometimes you get in a campground, you have to make tight turns and all that like that. Keep this off, or you can keep it very loose. Goes there and hooks up right there. So this is, you can loosen it, but if you turn one way, you're gonna hear the noise. You're gonna hear it's not a nice sound to hear, but that just helps when you're regular driving and stuff like that. But when you're parking, like when you get to the campground, when you check in or anything like that, take this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it's hooked up. You just slide this in. So all you do is on this one side, and then just like that. That's it. And you do the same thing over here.
If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.